everyone, this is Gurmail here and I am a health coach. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to make a healthier version of Nutella. I've got nieces and nephews and adults in the family who love Nutella, alright? But as we all know, it's loaded with sugar and maybe a chemical or two. So that's why I'm going to show you how to make Nutella. It's really simple with just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients, okay? But before I do that, I want to share with you my purpose, my really huge purpose. It is to help 1,000 families make healthy changes, simple healthy changes, lead a healthy lifestyle without drugs and medication. So that's my huge purpose, and that's why I want to show you how to make Nutella, because if you store-bought Nutella, it's going to be loaded with lots of sugar, it's going to have chemicals, it's going to have toxins, and that affects your health. All right, all this. And if you realize, lots of the time it's the children who are having Nutella. Children love Nutella. All right, there's so much sugar in it. So, and that has repercussions. Okay, so with that, what I want to do is share Nutella with you, because everyone says, how do you make Nutella at home? You know, we just buy it from the store. How do you make it? There's always conversation going on everywhere. So I just thought, I know it's simple, but let's do it, okay? So what I've done here is I have got raw hazelnuts here, all right, the organic hazelnuts, and I've actually roasted them for a bit, and I've removed the skin. Okay, so you might have little bits of dark skin still there, that's fine. I've got that, and I've got, instead of cocoa powder, I've put cacao powder, and I've got 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I've got 1/2 cup of melted coconut oil, and I've got about 2.5 tablespoons of raw honey. Both the honey and the cacao powder are the same quantity, 2.5 tablespoons, all right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move here, and I'm just going to put everything into the Thermomix. You can use anything you have. It doesn't have to be the Thermomix. It can be anything, all right, that you use at home. So like that, I'm almost done. I forgot to mention that the hazelnut was about 1 3/4 cups. All right, so that's the hazelnut, and then the cacao powder is going in. The salt, sea salt. There's the coconut oil. I'm just going to not going to waste any bit, just scrape everything off. Okay, the coconut oil and the honey. Okay, here we go. So that's it. These are the only ingredients you need. All right, just give me a minute. I forgot something here. Okay, and we're going to blend it, puree it for a minute or so. So there's going to be a bit of noise here, okay? Bear with me. All right, here we go. Have a little dip in here. All right. Smells like hazelnuts. Yeah. So there you go. It's all done. I'm going to just do one more round, and then it should be ready. Okay. Just a quick one here. Here you go, all done. Okay, so that's about the same color as the Nutella. Yum. All right, there you go. And look, if you want to put a bit more sugar, because I've put cacao powder, not cocoa powder, so it's a bit more bitter. All right, but I like it. All right, so that's yummy. And so that's it for today. I really hope that this helps you, and use it. Try using the Nutella the recipe that I've given you, and hopefully you don't have to buy any more store-bought Nutella jars. All right, that's all for today. Have a good week, and I'll see you soon. And if you think someone is going to really benefit from this recipe, please share this video. All right, thank you.